adults, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to learn about the shrink block, and we're also going to revisit using the hide block. The story behind this project is going to be that Kitten is going to school and is going to disappear into a building. So let's go to the background button first of all, and let's select the city background and press the tick button to select. We're then going to hold on Kitten and move them across down to the bottom left hand side of the screen. And then going to start to code. So again, we're going to go to the yellow category and select the green flag that will allow us to start the program. We're then going to move to the blue category to allow us to move Kitten. So we're going to have a right movement block and an up movement block, because we want Kitten to move right across the screen and move up into the building. We're then going to go to the purple category and we're going to select the shrink block, because as Kitten walks towards the building, we want them to get smaller as it looks like they're going further away. We then want them to disappear, so again we're going to select the disappear block, the hide block that we've used before. We're then going to go to the red category and select the red stop block to end the program. Again, now we've built the program using the blocks that we want, we're going to edit the numbers in them, so how far the Kitten actually moves. So let's click on the right one first of all. The number pad appears again. Let's click 8 because we want Kitten to move across 8 squares. And remember, if you want to press that button there, that brings the grid up so we can see that it's going to go from square 2 to square 10. Now, if we want to move it slightly, if we want it to go in a different building, so if we want it to go in the yellow building, we're going to move them back just slightly, Kitten back slightly, so hopefully let's move forward a little bit to 10. Yeah, roughly close. It looks like it's going to go into the yellow building there. We only want Kitten to go up 1 square, so that it looks like it's crossing the road, and we want it to shrink by a factor of 8, and then it's going to disappear. So let's see what happens. Let's turn the grid off so we can see what happens. Across, up. Wow, amazing. Now, what I think we could do to get that a little bit better, let's reset that. Let's move Kitten across slightly, and actually I'd like them to go up 2. So I think that would be slightly better. Let's try that again. Brilliant. Looks like they're going exactly in that door. So let's reset that and look at that on full screen. Amazing job. Well done. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.